Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Mitsubishi Lancer using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a new oil filter. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface for safety. Consult your owner's manual to confirm the correct oil type and capacity for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now let's get that old oil out. Find the drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your oil drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow all the old, dirty oil to drain completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean start, so take your time and ensure it's fully drained. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Locate the old oil filter and use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Be ready for a little more oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about an additional quarter turn. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Reinstall the drain plug firmly, ideally with a new crush washer. Now, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the oil fill cap opening. Once filled, start your engine briefly to circulate the oil, then shut it off. Check for any leaks and verify the oil level on your dipstick. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.